Alright, I'm going to show you how to get UltimateXR set up for Unity to work with Vive Pro 2. That's what I'm using. So go to the Getting Started page here and download the Unity package. I already downloaded it ahead of time. It's large, it's got a really nice demo scene included, a lot of assets. Alright, so go to Unity Hub, make sure you're using the latest long-term support version, and click on a 3D Universal Render Pipeline project template. I already loaded up a project because it takes a few minutes to load up the URP template. And then if you look at the documentation, the next step is to import the package we just downloaded. Now that could take like 7 to 10 minutes. So I've already done that ahead of time here, but it will take you a while when you import it. So let's go down, see the next steps. Yep. Next step is to install the XR plugin management. Let's go to project settings, XR plugin management, install that. That should take a couple seconds. Leave all these unchecked, even though we would check OpenXR if we're using the Vive. We want to leave that unchecked for now. Apparently that's OpenXR is not supported UltimateXR yet, but there's a workaround, so we'll get to that in a few. Alright, so go to the next step. Yeah, we'll talk about this. I had to search in the support channel. The dev is really responsive though. But yeah, go to SteamVR for supported platforms, and we'll follow these instructions here. So go to build settings, make sure we're working with the right desktop setup. Go to Tools, UltimateXR, and we'll go to see the SDK Manager. So we need to install SteamVR SDK. If you don't already have it, you can get it from the Unity store, asset store. We're going to Project Manager, select My Assets, and then click SteamVR plugin and import. That'll take a few moments. Import all this stuff. Accept all these. Wait for scripts to recompile. Alright, and the next step will be to go to Windows SteamVR Input, and we'll set up the SteamVR Input. Yeah, click yes. It'll load. It'll compile some scripts. I don't know if you have to click save and generate down here, but I did anyway. Alright, X out of the screen. And we'll see what the next step is. I believe it's create actions. Yep. I'll create the actions. More scripts will compile. Alright, we're almost there. So one last step. Make sure we check OpenVR Loader and the XR plugin management. So go to File. Now we'll go to Edit, Project Settings, XR Plugin Management, and make sure Open VR Loader is selected. Shouldn't have to change anything here. Go back to the project, click Play. Oh, we want to open the demo scene first. Go to UltimateXR Examples, Full Scene, and open the UltimateXR demo. If you loaded the 3D Universal Render Pipeline template, this should all work out of the box. If you see pink textures, then you're using the wrong render pipeline. Get a little preview here. Alright, so if we click play, we would expect it to work. Alright, we've got some interesting errors here. Put on the Vive headset. Pick up the controllers. Alright, so the headset tracking works, but the controllers do not. Yeah. Okay, and it's related to these error messages in the debug console log. Alright, so we'll fix this. It's a pretty easy fix. So according to the developer, we just need to add in the controller names that we see in the log. Yeah, so if I open up my console here and I click on one of these errors, you can see the controller. It's looking for Vive Controller Pro MV. If I copy that string literally, case sensitive, and we modify the HTC Vive input file, if we go to scripts, devices, integrations, HTC, and we're looking for UxrHtcViveInput. Open it up in Visual Studio. Alright, expand the input section, and then we want to modify this controller names. We want to add Vive Controller Pro MV. I think if you don't have a Pro, it would look a little bit different. It might say Vive Controller MV or whatever it says in the console log. You just want to copy that. Add a line here. Alright, save it. If you were a real programmer, you'd probably create a constant. Alright, let the scripts recompile. If anyone knows how to get rid of this Steam VR pop-up that keeps reoccurring, leave a comment. Alright, let's play it again. Still getting some errors, but let's see how it goes. Put my headset back on. And the controls are tracking. Alright. Very nice. Yeah, you got to check out this shooting range. The shotgun is really nice. I'm not going to spoil it for you.